So here's a video this morning of our 2022 Chevrolet 3500 HD dually. This truck was a personal / company purchase. Unlike a lot of dealers where they just buy to flip, this Chevrolet was purchased for us to use. Unfortunately, due to the supply chain issues, it was supposed to be a GMC Denali, but this truck came available, so we purchased it. Very happy we did, because the GMC Denali still 8 months later has not arrived. This truck took 9 months to come in, but we waited patiently, had the tires and wheels ready, lift kit ready, accessories ready, and we have utilized it, and it is now up for grabs. 2,500 miles, 90% of them put on it by me. We tinted the windows. Supposed to be Virginia legal, as far as what I asked for anyway. It is riding on 26 American Force polished alloys, 37-inch tires. We did a fold-up bed cover, power retractable steps, Weathertech floor mats, still got the stickers hanging inside of it, still got the new car smell. I don't think anybody's even rode in the back seat but one time. Still got the factory floor mats in here. Somewhere, I think, folded up in the seat. Yep, right back there. That's all the cold weather package. A couple very light rock nicks, which we've touched up, but with these tires, you're going to expect that. 7-inch suspension lift, if I remember correctly. I ordered the truck with the cold weather package. The last few of these I've had, we've sold up north. A couple of them went to Canada, but it's got the plug-in for the cold weather package. Both key fobs with remotes. And yes, we actually tagged this vehicle out of one of our companies in Montana. Trailer hitch, because we have towed with it. Rear view camera. A nicely equipped truck. Served us very well. No expense spared on the equipment. If you're in this industry, you know the cost of tires and wheels. I think right now that setup ordered and shipped is probably pushing $13,000 to $14,000. Power steps, tinted windows, vent visors, floor mats, bed cover, spray and bed liner. So $20-some thousand in accessories. No wear and tear, no faults or flaws, like I said, other than very light rock nicks. That's the only issue whatsoever. This truck is in stock, is available. I have the title in hand. No scratches. It has been kept in one of our buildings with the boat most of the time. This little stuff you see right here, that's just tire dressing. That wipes right off. Again, a couple little rock nicks, but that is it. Great truck, accessorized well, killer good look for a lifted Chevrolet dually. Following this one up will be my Denali, which will be available in about another 6 months. Try to keep these in and out roughly on about a 6-month term, and just depending on what kind of events we have, we do keep these out. If we have a car truck show or a benefit where they want something on display, we carry these trucks out, sometimes pull one of our trailers. Allison Duramax, there's the trailer right there. Davis Auto Sales, Davis Off-Road, Davis Water Sports, above average trucks, each amenities of different things that we do. Hard to beat this truck right here. You will see it on our website. The alignment is perfect. Steering wheel is straight. We've already retorqued the suspension after 1,000 miles. She is ready to go. Still very functional for towing. We towed about 16,000 pounds with it last time out. No problem whatsoever. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or you want to see any more pictures, jump on the website. This bad boy is officially now up for grabs.